Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Before doing first derivative, we need to distribute this one for this one, and this one. That means 5x to the power of 3 multiplied by 2x squared, 3x and number 2. So they will be like this. Next, we apply the formula in here. That is about the power rule of derivative. So we have this one. So if we do first derivative of this one, they should be like this. So number 5 minus 1, we have number 4, and equals to number 5 we put in here. That's why we have number 5. Now you can do similar for this one and this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.